Welcome everyone to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial we want to look at how we export files or drawings to CAD formats, AutoCAD and image formats. So we'll look at the simple floor plan. For us to export this to AutoCAD, let me start with AutoCAD. On your Revit, I use Revit 2016. For those of you who have 16 and above, so I'll go to Revit, Export, CAD Format, DWG. Just click on Next. So here I will select the folder. Let me save that on desktop. I prefer, for the files of type, I prefer using lower version of AutoCAD 2007. So you can actually change the name to whatever you want and say OK. So I have exported the floor plan. I'll go to my south elevation. I can also export the south elevation. Same procedure, export, WG, next, save it, say OK. So I'll go to my desktop now and look at my floor plan. Let me open the floor plan. So as you can see, my floor plan is ready in AutoCAD. And from here you can do whatever you want to do. So same thing, I'll close this. Same thing for the elevation. Yes, you can see my elevation is ready. Very simple. So to export to image format, let me start with the front elevation. For us to do that, you don't need the whole screen, the whole drawing area. You can actually crop your views. So at the bottom left corner of your Revit, look at crop view. Then you also see show crop region. So from here you can actually determine how much you want to see, how much you want to view as an image. Let me say I just want little like this. Okay, so from here, same procedure, go to export. Now you go to image and animations, select image. Now let's change this to current. You can leave this at current view, current window. I normally use 5,000. You can use 5,000 to 10,000 pixels. That is 5 megapixel or 10 megapixels. Let's make it 5,000. Select where I want. Let's do desktop. Let me call this tutorials front view. Save that. So OK. Same thing for the floor plan. And crop it. Show crop region. Crop view. As you can see, the whole thing is so large, which I can actually crop the view I want. As an image. Okay, so I've cropped my view, so I can only, for the floor plan, go to export, set procedure, image, and leave that. As you can see, I already have one, so I can just replace it. For this, use visible portion of current view. Say okay. So you can view our elevations and the floor plan. So as you can see, guys, it's so simple to do that. Thank you guys for watching.